Welcome back. This morning we are in Franktown, Colorado, and we just walked into a 12,000 square foot custom home being built, and we're looking at all of the baseboard around the walls along with the trim around all the doorways and windows. So we just wanted to walk you through a quick little tour. We just finished up our drywall and texturing. We're getting ready to paint. Guys are downstairs prepping for the paint right now. So we're on the upper level, third level. We're going to walk you through the entire house so you can kind of see what we're doing. We'll film a little bit as we're going along. Pretty massive house. Beautiful views of the Rocky Mountain Range. We'll show you those once we take all the plastic off the windows. This is the loft area. Looking down into the great room. Going into the kitchen now. Just keeps going. And the nook area. Take you back into the master bath, master bed.
Saturday for free cooking demos on the world's finest appliances and grills. Proudly serving Colorado for 18 years. Don't forget, sale ends January 1st. Open Monday through Friday till 8.
Shower.
Saturday 7 till 5. Just north of Flat and Crusty Mall or at mountainhighappliance.com. Thank you.
Take you back through the kitchen into the mudroom, laundry room, and garage. The mudroom. Laundry here. Shower and bath in here. And 3-car garage. I'll take you down into the walkout basement next. As we pass the front door. Another laundry room and shower. Furnace and hot water tank, and basically storage. That's about it. So thanks for joining in. See you next time when we get some baseboard and trim put in.